Kia ora Atamaria, good morning, welcome to Wednesday, a very brisk Wednesday in Wellington, very brisk. So brisk in fact that trains were delayed. One train was delayed, my train was delayed. It's a problem that probably pales in comparison to not being able to use a bridge on State Highway 1 because it's windy, but yeah. Anyway, I'm Mike from Markets, cold and late, but here, and this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okay, equity markets, the Globe's risk sentiment indicator, lower this morning. The financial sector globally led that charge, and tech outperformed, comparatively outperformed. The tech-focused NASDAQ, that was, when I was getting on the train, or was supposed to be, about 0.5% in the red, and the Dow was almost 1% in the red. But now, that NASDAQ, almost back to square, and the Dow, yeah, it's paired gains down to about 1/3%. So, yeah, sentiment is swinging a little. Still not great though. As a point of reference, European markets, they closed around about 0.5% lower. Yeah. So getting back to the general drivers, in addition to the lack of love for the banking sector, the financial sector globally, and also contributing to the lack of love for that sector, I guess, climbing COVID case counts, that old chestnut, and fading hopes that the next US fiscal stimulus package will get across the line. 2.2 trillion is the number they're banding around at the moment. Commodities also lower, also denting equity price action. Yeah. So nothing really new, but yeah, still a bit of a dour day. Interestingly, the grey equity skies, they didn't rain on the New Zealand dollars parade. The bird climbed toward the 66-cent mark, didn't quite have the wheat bix to cross that psychological and technical line, but yeah, gaining the better part of 0.5% overnight in the face of a broad risk-off theme. It's not too shabby, really. Maybe it has another crack at that level today. Maybe. Yeah. 65.97, that was the Kiwis' overnight high. Just hit about an hour or so ago. Once again, the Kiwis' advance came down to greenback weakness. So yeah, the bird did outperform most of its peers though. The Aussie dollar the exception. Aussie dollar the top of the comparative currency performance heap this morning. Difficult things to say. Looking ahead, okay, yeah, a bit going on today. In loosely chronological order, the presidential leaders debate, local business confidence, ANZ Business Confidence Survey, Chinese manufacturing data, 2 releases there, UK GDP, Jacinda versus Judith round 2. Probably not a market mover, but yeah, worth mention. And US GDP, early hours of tomorrow morning. I think that's everything. More than enough, at least. Okay, have a great Wednesday. Kia pai tō ora.